Hi, it's Frank from Mann Lake, and we're going to do another mite treatment on this colony now. We've tested for mites. We know it has some mites. So this one we're going to use Apiguard. Apiguard is an essential oil-based type treatment. It's pretty natural. The bees don't like it when we put it on. As they remove it from the colony, they get the essential oils on them and it kills the mites. This is a treatment that we cannot have a honey super on for. And it's very easy to use. As you can see though, I always wear nitrile gloves when I'm handling any sort of treatments. All we do is we remove the lid, remove the foil covering off of the Apiguard to expose the essential oil, lay it on the top, and we're going to put it back on. It'll take the bees probably a few weeks to remove that. During that time, hopefully we're going to get a great mite kill out of this. When we're done, we're going to do another test to see how effective it was.